Good morning class. As yesterday we have ended the chapter 3 of English language, that was articles a and the. Now today we are going to continue. We are going to do the explanation of, I am going to explain you the chapter 3 of English literature, that is magic letter. This chapter is on page number 17. So open your English literature course books to page number 17. Now before starting this chapter, the explanation of this chapter, magic letter, let me tell you that it's the story about two friends, Vikram and Aijaz. Vikram and Aijaz were neighbors, and after some time they got separated. One goes to another city and other one was living over there only. There was a long distance relationship between them, but there was a distance between them, but they were very best friends. So now let us begin with the explanation of chapter 3, the magic letter, from our books. Now we are going to start with the explanation of the chapter 3, the magic letter. This chapter is on page number 17. Now, before starting this lesson, there is an exercise being given over here. What is the exercise is, look at these pictures and write the name of the festival. You have to see the pictures, 3 pictures given over here, and you have to write the name of those festivals. First one is, I hope you all can see the colors given over here. So we play colors in holy season. Second one is Diya. We light the diyas in Diwali. So write the name over here, Diwali. And in the third one, we have been given a child over here and they are saying it's the Christmas. So write Christmas in the third one. After seeing the picture, you will get to know the name of these 3 seasons. Now let us begin with the explanation. Vikram regularly sends puzzle to his dear friend Aijaz. Vikram and Aijaz were 2 friends about whom this story is being told about. Vikram was in a regular use to send puzzle to his friend Aijaz. On Eid, Aijaz gets another puzzle from Vikram. There was a festival of Eid and Aijaz got another puzzle from Vikram. Read this story to find out if the puzzle is different from other times. You have to read this story and tell whether the puzzle are different from other times or not. Now let us begin the story. Aijaz lives in Haryana and Vikram lives in Andhra Pradesh. Aijaz lives in Haryana and Vikram lives in Andhra Pradesh. Even though they live so far away from each other, they live very far away from each other and they are best friends. They live far away from each other, but they are very best friends. Not long ago, Aijaz and Vikram had been neighbors. Not so much long ago. That means not too much. It's not the story about that much past. We can say that Aijaz and Vikram are neighbors. This is being said that they both live next house to each other as they were neighbors. The 2 boys had loved playing cricket. They loved to play cricket, solving riddles. Riddle mean puzzle, and eating biryani. They used to eat biryani. They had celebrated everything together. They are in a use to celebrate each and every festival, birthdays. They celebrated together from birthdays to festivals. Aijaz had been sad when his best friend moved away. Aijaz got sad when his friend moved away from that place. But Vikram letters always cheered him up. When Vikram moved away from his place, when they were neighbors, Vikram family has chosen some other house. and I just got sad because of that. But when Vikram used to write letters, after reading those letters, they I just got a cheering up smile on his face. He loved solving the puzzle that Vikram sent to him. I just loved to solve that puzzle which Vikram sent to Ijaz. On the day of Eid, an envelope from Vikram arrives. When there was a festival of Eid, a envelope a envelope was sent an envelope was sent by Vikram to Ijaz, and the letter arrives. Ijaz opens it. Ijaz just open up that envelope and pulls out a card. Ijaz opens up that envelope and just pull a card from that. Eid Mubarak Ijaz. In the card there was written Eid Mubarak Ijaz. A surprise awaits you. Read the letter. A surprise awaits you means that a big surprise is waiting for you. Just read this letter. It was written in that letter. Now let us turn the page and move to page number 18. As Ijaz opens the letter, he wonders what Vikram has sent him. When Ijaz just open up the letter and he wonders that what have Vikram sent to him. The last time it had been a number of puzzle, and at the last time there was a number of puzzle which was gifted by Vikram to Ijaz. Wait, the paper is blank. Is this a mistake? And after seeing that paper, I just said that this paper is blank. Is this a mistake? He is supposed to turn the piece of paper into something. Ijaz is supposed to turn that paper into a piece of paper to something. Ijaz tries to fold it. Ijaz just tries to fold that paper, but nothing happens. But nothing changed there. But when Ijaz fold it, nothing happens. He holds the paper to the light, and then he holds the paper to the light face. He rolls it and looks through it. He then again rolls the paper and just look through that paper. He runs his finger over the surface of the paper. He just runs his fingers over the surface of that paper, but then too nothing happened there. I just looks at the card again, and then again I just looks at the card. That's when notice the orange and the yellow flame on the card. When I just again looks to the card, then that when he notices that there were orange and yellow flame on that card. Had Vikram colored it? And then I just got something strike on his mind that had Vikram colored this orange and yellow flames? But wait, Vikram does not like to color. And then I just said that Vikram does not like to color. How can he color this paper? I just rushes to the kitchen. I just rushes to the kitchen where Ami was there. Ami, I need something hot. I just said that I need something hot. Some hot thing. Ami wipes her hand on a towel. Ami just rubs his hand to get his hand dry. He just rub his hand on a towel. The biryani is not ready. Ami said that biryani is not ready till now. You will have to wait for the biryani. I don't want to eat biryani. I just said I just don't want to eat biryani. I just explains that he wants to heat the letter to read Vikram message. I just asks his mother that he just wants a heating thing so that he can just read that letter which Vikram had just sent to him. Now today I am going to explain you this chapter till here. What you all have to do is you have to just read this chapter. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Just go through this chapter. If you have any doubt regarding any of the word, you can ask me. Homework for you all is you have to write the word meanings in your notebook. Thank you.